Hello friends, welcome to our channel The Tutorials. If you are one who is planning to quit Facebook and you want to carry the memories with you, then this tutorial is worthy for you, as you can download all the information from the Facebook at any time. You can download the entire information, or you can choose the option what exactly you want to download, and then you can create a copy of the all those informations and you can save it in your personal. Friends, you will be surprised to know that the day you have created a Facebook account and till today, all your login activity, all the posts which you shared, all the posts you have uploaded on the Facebook, all the photos and videos which you have uploaded, or the someone else video and photo you have shared, whatever the comments you have done, likes and reactions, the friends you have, the stories you have shared, the following, the how many people you are following, or the how many followers you have, the messages you have exchanged on Messenger, or the groups you manage, or the groups you are a member of, the events you have created, your profile information, including your name, your mobile number, your events, your hobbies, the music which you like, then the page which you manage, and the page which you follow. Apart from that, your payment history, then your interactions, then your search history, locations, then your login information, your information used for the recommendation, all those informations are stored in the Facebook. And Facebook use all this information to create a demographic data of the user, so that they can use this data to serve you the right kind of advertisement for you, or they can use it for the different purposes using the artificial intelligence and the machine learning techniques. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can download this information if you are planning to quit Facebook and you want to carry the memories with you. So let's start the video. Hello friends, welcome to our channel The Tutorials. If you go to the playlist section in our channel, you will find the tutorials on the different topics such as Windows 10 tutorials, Android tutorials, tech news, Facebook tutorials, then workshop tutorial, blogger tutorial, YouTube tutorials, Zoom tutorials, then Instagram tutorials. So if you want to learn something new, you can go to any playlist and you can watch the videos, and you can appreciate it if you have liked the videos. So now coming back to the content, here is the step-by-step process how you can download all the information from Facebook. So let's start the video. Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials. Well, as you can see that I'm in the home page of this Facebook account. This is the dummy account. So I have just made this account for the tutorial purpose, for the demo purpose. So now to download all the information from the Facebook, just log in with your Facebook account with your valid ID and password. So soon you will land on this home page. After that, you can just click on this arrow button, down arrow button here, and you can click on the settings. Then at the left side, you can see your Facebook information. You can click on this, and here the third option, you can see that download your information, download a copy of your information to or transfer to the another services. So just click on the view button. Now you will come to this page. Here there are two tabs, request copy and available copies. So as you can see, there is no available copies. So click on the tab, it is a request copy. Here there are some criteria. So you can choose the date range if you want and all the information between a particular year from some date to some date, or if you want all of the data, then you can choose this. Then you can choose the formats, that is HTML and JSON format. So I will suggest you to download using the HTML format as it is supported by all the browsers. And then you can choose the media quality if you want, if you are downloading the photos and the videos which you have uploaded on Facebook. And once you are done, then here there are the list. You can see that what information you want to download, and you can choose all the information. If you want to choose all, then you can select everything, or if you want to categorize, or if you want to pinpoint some particular information. So for the demo purpose, I'm just choosing like say photos and videos. Okay, in your case, if you want to download all the information, you can select all. Okay, so once you have opted for the right content, then you can click on the create file button. So as you can see, a message is being displayed that a copy of your information is being created. So you can cancel this process before the file is complete. So you can see here that your information, Facebook information is ready to download. So if you go to available copies, then here you can see that I'm going to refresh it. So here you can see that this information is now available. So I have requested it on 8th August. It is in HTML format, and it is SD media is being downloaded. So you need to click on the download button. Once you click, you need to input your password to verify that it's you. Once you click on the password, here you can see that the information is being downloaded. So the information is here being downloaded. Now once I try to unzip this file, and here you can see that since I have only selected the photos and videos, so it's showing the photographs, cover photographs, and here it is showing the profile photo. So if you click here on the index, here you will see these two informations are downloaded already. So this is a way how you can download all the information from the Facebook. Remember that this operation is only required to investigate something, or if you want to check something that in a particular year, what are the activities you have performed on the Facebook, or if you want to quit Facebook and you want to download all the information before you delete the Facebook account, then you can carry out this activity. I hope you have got the sufficient information regarding this topic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you find this video useful, then please hit like and share this video. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.